Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Tesla Model Y headlight. First, gather your essential tools, including a trim removal tool and your new headlight assembly. Safety is paramount, so ensure your vehicle is completely powered off and the parking brake is firmly engaged. Familiarize yourself with the headlight's position within the front bumper before you begin. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient replacement process. Next, you'll need to access the headlight by partially removing the front bumper. Begin by carefully locating and removing all the plastic clips and screws that secure the bumper. A trim removal tool will be invaluable here to gently pry the bumper away from the fender without causing damage. Remember to disconnect any electrical connectors that might be attached to the bumper as you pull it back. With the bumper partially moved, you can now focus on the headlight unit itself. You will find 3 mounting screws that firmly hold the headlight in its position. Carefully unbolt these. Next, reach behind the headlight and disconnect the main electrical connector. Once these steps are complete, you can gently slide the entire old headlight assembly out of its housing, making way for the new one. Now, it's time for installation. Carefully insert your new headlight assembly, ensuring it seats perfectly into its designated spot. Reconnect the main electrical connector and then secure the 3 mounting screws you removed earlier. Finally, reattach the front bumper, making sure all clips and screws are firmly in place. Don't forget to test the new headlight's functionality before you hit the road.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.